What's up, everybody? Jason Wilkin, Real FOREX King, back for a market recap for Friday, October 9th. So, man, today market was crazy. Today we had high impact news for the Canadian dollar, discuss employment change, unemployment rate, and a lot of news from London session for the GBP pair around 2 a.m. So, a lot of news that affected the market. So, let's look at the charts. For GPUSD, daily chart today for Friday with a strong bullish momentum. If we go to the hour chart, pretty much during London session, the market did show some slight trace of sales for short term, and then it picked back up and was straight bullish throughout pre-New York and New York session. So it was a big move to end the week to the upside since we've been on the uptrend. Standing for GBP, JPY. This pair was straight bullish for the daily chart. For London, it looks like it slightly came down, but then it picked back up for a strong momentum to upside during pre-New York and New York session, as you can see. AUD USD, our chart. So this pair pretty much never came back down from Asian session to London session to New York session and just stayed forever uptrend. It just been rising, rising, rising all day long. It's crazy. It had a crazy drop earlier this week, and I'm assuming it's going to come back up and retest this area of resistance and come back down. But the market decided to continue up and break up the area of resistance and act as support and shoot back up. That's what you got to pay attention to support and resistance zones. See the market respects this or breaks it. In this case, it broke it, therefore, then respect the zone and continue to the upside. And gold shot up all the way back up. I was thinking that gold potentially will come down, but again, it's Friday, and Friday likes to do its thing. On Friday, just kept going up. I thought gold would retest an area of support and resistance, but it didn't. It went up from like London session. London session, it dropped down a little bit, but then it came up throughout New York session. And then the US 30 was the Dow Jones. This been an uptrend the end of the week. So it came down a little bit during London session, but then it came going up throughout New York session. Overall uptrend, as you can see. Uptrend and consolidated to the upside. And also, this affected Bitcoin. Bitcoin decided to be straight bullish momentum. This is for our chart. So it pretty much broke up and kept going up through London to New York session. And if we look at investing.com, we can see the news about the Dow, how the Dow rise stimulus holds for biggest week gain since August. So that's pretty much what's driving the market. This whole stimulus talks and COVID-19. U.S. signs agreement to develop and supply COVID-19 antibody treatment. This new record about 20 hours per day. So yeah, so as you can see, there's a lot of articles pertaining to COVID on a daily basis that's affecting the market. And the Dow has been on all-time highs for the week. And it's a good thing and probably going to continue the momentum this week. And I know we're getting closer to elections. So that's when the market's going to be very like volatile here and there, especially in the New York session, especially when Donald Trump tweets. So just be on the lookout. But overall, Friday was a crazy bullish day. for the GBP pairs and GPJPY. So we'll see what happens next week and see if it respects the support and resistance zones on high time frames to see. And that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Right now, we out here. Peace.